Welcome to my gadget lab. This is where we're going to take a look at what I've been doing with the tests on the Xibo Digital signage server. Let's take a look first of all at the server, which does all the work. We have several virtual machines running here. The first one is the Xibo server itself, which is nothing but a web server, and it'll also host the various programs that we need to produce the digital signage. The other virtual machine which we're running is simply a charting program that's taking a GPS feed. So this is basically showing the position of the ship 24 hours a day, and the display out here on the left shows the course and heading when it's running. Okay, let's just take a look and see what we've configured so far. So we've configured a few little templates here. We have the basic default layout, which will probably show the ship and a simple legend and the time, and then we have various little slides which we can put in. You can show dinner menus and that sort of thing, and then these can be scheduled or cancelled at will. Very easy to use, this interface. Now let's take a look and see what's happening on our actual Android machine. Now, this is the basic thing that we can stick on the television: HDMI and USB power. And then running on the Android server continuously, and this one's been running now for 24 hours non-stop, we have a series of slides which we've been changing from time to time. Beauty of this whole thing is that although it requires a network feed to get the pictures, it actually runs independently of the network. So if the network were to go down, or the server itself were to fail, it would just carry on showing the slides that it has until the schedule had been reached, and then it would just go back to the default slide, which is the ship and the time. That's what we set up. Anyway, awfully flexible. Here we have the charting program right now, and that will be changed every minute. So it would show a fairly reasonable animation of what the ship's doing with a 1 minute delay. To give you an idea how easy it is to edit all this, I've just got that mapping back. You can take the objects, resize them quite easily, and you can go to the add little boxes here, and you can convert it to text. Very easy. You've got a very powerful font editor. Let's make it yellow text, and let's just put a clock in there and fit the text to the size of the region that we've defined. And we are going to have that on the screen for about 15 seconds, 14 seconds, whatever. Let's just save that. You can string several sections of text in there. So we have a clock in that point, and we can put a web page in here. Very easy to do. And we have another static screen which just comprises of an image which has been uploaded to the server and a scrolling text bar. I imagine the use of this will be very much using a combination of local web pages for things like menus and things that can be easily edited offline, and pictures uploaded. And here comes our charting display now, smaller. We have a time bar. We have a web page coming off the World Wide Web, which is probably going to be a little bit expensive to do if we do this on the ship. So a lot of this kind of data could be on the intraweb. We have two virtual machines here with two web servers on there, so that will work quite nicely. So this just gives you a quick idea of the power and the ease of use of the system.